What's good, guys? I go by the name of John Alexander. I want to welcome everybody back to the channel, and if you guys are new and click this video, you have found the #1 Yeezy channel. So just do yourselves a favor, hit that subscribe button. We got a brand new unboxing. We got the next Yeezy unreleased pair coming right up next. Stay tuned, y'all. Alright, y'all, so welcome back. Got another brand new unboxing. So thanks everybody for tuning into today's video. Last video we dropped the unboxing of the Cloud White, so I'm real excited to have another package, another early look for y'all. These are for the Citrins. What's great about this video is I got the Cloud White, so we'll do a comparison for y'all too, because I know a lot of you guys are up on the fence about these pairs. Everybody goes crazy for the 350s, so Yeezy's dropping 2 pairs for y'all this month. Now some people, they just pick up every pair, but some people they're selective with theirs, so a lot of people are kind of like up for debate. I think most people are feeling the Cloud Whites more. Me myself, I was leaning towards the Citrins more, but we won't know until I see them in person. So, and then so this pair, we picked these up off GOAT. So these early release videos, a lot of people ask me in the comments like how I get these. I've purchased these pairs off GOAT or StockX. So a lot of pairs, like especially the high-end demand pairs, get put on the market early, like from whoever's selling it. So that's how I'm able to get these pairs. We're just paying extra to get them online early for y'all to see. So that's for everybody in the comments asking about how I get these pairs early. So these are the Citrins. These are set to release. I can't keep track anymore of these releases. So let's go ahead and hop on IG. I know y'all follow a lot of Yeezy pages to get y'all info. Me personally, I rock with Yeezy Influence. So I need everybody go ahead and follow that. I mean, even if you don't follow it, that's what you want to use for accurate info. They got like all the other ones, Yeezy Mafia or whatever. I rock with Yeezy Influence. So we're gonna hop on his page real quick, scroll down. Alright. So we got the Cloud Reflectives dropping, Citrin Reflectives. And then right here, September 24th. So we got the Citrins dropping. Matter of fact, 26. Had to get the recent update. So these are set to drop on the 26th of September. So got these in my size. Probably plan on keeping these for the personal. So official colorway Citrin. We're gonna get my thoughts and opinions, and we're gonna do a comparison. So let's open these up together, y'all, like we always do. And shout out to everybody that be leaving comments. Without your feedback, we wouldn't, you know, we want this to be an open discussion. Ooh. These are fire. Yeah. Real clean. The Citrin. So I love to hear y'all comments. I forgot. So this the watch before you buy, the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Citrin colorway video. So we got the early pair for y'all in my size 10.5. So I'm excited to pick these up. Really feeling these. It's funny, like Buddy, he had said the Cloud Whites are like the cream, static, and blue tints, And he said the Citrins are like in the same with the Landmark, Simp, and Antilias. And then another dude had called the Cloud Whites the Static 5.0s, trolling Yeezy. So I'm feeling these. Let me get y'all thoughts and opinions. See the bottom? It almost looks like a gum bottom. So different color. Look at that difference right there. No pull tab. What do y'all think? Pull tab or no pull tab? It doesn't make a difference to me. But if I had to pick, I would probably just go with no pull tab. But this colorway is real dope. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all picking these up or are you dropping them? Or are you just gonna get them to resell like everybody else? What y'all gonna do with these? So let's go ahead and let's grab those Cloud Whites. And let's see what they look like next to the Cloud Whites. Here go my Static reflective pair. Put them things next to the glows. Y'all want me to rank the Yeezys, the V2s? There's so many 350 V2s. That would take forever. But if y'all want to rank them in the comments, feel free, go ahead. These have like a the Adidas Yeezy Boost. That's a lime green inside. I just noticed that. That's fire. If they would have threw in like, there's little hints of lime green, it feels like in here. If they would have put stronger accents of lime green on this sneaker, it would have been dope. That would have been super hard. So this is a size 7 Cloud Whites. And this is a 10.5. Bro, this is crazy, like, look at the colors. Citrin, Cloud White. They both dropped this month. Are y'all picking up both, or you picking and choosing, or are you passing on them all? Most people are feeling these more. Resale will probably be higher on these, but for some reason I like these better. But really nice sneaker by Kanye. Two nice sneakers. Alright, so yeah, do me a favor, rank your favorite 350 V2s in the comment section. I gotta put these away. So y'all follow the IG. Trying to keep up with the content. Waiting on the V2 inertias for y'all to see. You might see a how to style video. Let me know in the comments what Yeezys you want me to how to style. Might do a how to style on the V2 inertias. Do y'all want me to do a how to style on these? Cause I could do that if you want. Leave that in the comments. Yeezy Citrins. So follow the IG. I am gonna announce the giveaway. We got the Calabasas sweatpants giveaway coming up real soon. So at 5K, y'all just smash the subscribe, get it up to 5K, and I'm gonna announce that giveaway. So that's basically it, y'all. So we got the next video coming up, inertia V2s. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. So thanks again everybody for tuning in. #1 Yeezy channel. My name is John Alexander. Y'all be blessed, and I'm out.